In this TI basic tutorial, we're going to go over getting the key press. Um, and it's actually pretty simple, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So first, we're going to create a new thing named test. This is going to be our program. And keypad, let's get a new one. Let's put the value 10 into A and the value 10 into B. And now at the top, we're going to write clear draw. And now we're going to create a while loop, while 1, end. While 1 end, this will just make it never stop looping. And what we're going to do is each time it loops, you're going to say, we're going to go ahead and say, pixel on at BA. Now let's make sure we save this. Now let's run TI-83 Flash Debugger. I'll put a link for this in the description if you haven't downloaded it. It's free and it's actually a bit faster than TI SmartView. If you prefer this one, it's pretty good. So we're going to click this R right here and we're going to find our program, test. We're going to hit play to run it. Now I'm going to say program, go over to test. And as you can see, it draws that dot right there at 1010. We also want to disable that axes, so axes off. Make sure I spelled that right. Axes off. Yep. Now let's say, now here's how we get key press. First, you got to choose a variable. What variable do you want for key press? I usually use K. So what we do is we write getKey, and we use the little store symbol and store that into K, and that will get whatever key is currently being pressed. It'll only do one key. So then what we can do, we can say if K equals, this is how we tell which key is on the calculator. Let's hit play and let's exit this out. Quit. Whoops. See the calculator? This key right here, this function key is 1, 1. This is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. This one right here is 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. This one's 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. You can't see how it works? This one is 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5. So if we wanted to get the up key, we'd go down here and go 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. 2, 5 is the up key. So I'm going to say if K equals 2, 5, remember how I put then? You could put more than one thing on one line if you put a colon. So if I put if K equals 2, 5, colon then, that will kind of keep things on one line and just make it look neater. So we're going to say if K equals 2, 5, which is the up key, then B, which is our Y minus 1, store into B. Now I'm going to copy this a few times because we're going to use this line of code 4 times for each key. So 24 would be the left key. So that's A minus 1 into A. 26 would be the right key. So that's A plus 1 into A. And 34 is the down key. Let's check. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. Yep. 34 is the down key. So add 1 to that. So now when I press the arrow keys, it's going to change where it's going to turn the pixel on. Now let's save this. Stop. And it's loaded up again. Now as you can see, you can hold a key down and it'll let you move this. It should run a lot faster on your real calculator. It's just a little slow in the emulator. But that's basically how you get key press.